Hello, today I'm in BMW X1. In this video I will show you steering wheel buttons functions. In the beginning, let's take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. Press plus or minus button to change radio volume. Press the button located right here to activate voice control, and the button on the bottom to answer or decline calls. Now we've got the panel on the right side. Thanks to this button we can change radio station, radio source, and we can eject discs. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.